got loyalty inside my DNA. Loyalty got more rampies inside my DNA.
Wow, this quality is so nice. I'm vlogging with my EOS R, and it's very shaky because we're driving while my husband's driving, and the roads are really bumpy. But we are on our way to go eat with our friends, and I forgot to attach my rodeo mic to this, so this is without the mic. So this is just the audio sound from the camera, not from the mic. So yeah, we're gonna go eat and we're gonna bring you guys in. Be excited? He said no, because he has a pimple on his face right here, and he popped it, so it's red. You ready? It is so cold out. Hey. Why, thank you, sir. You're the only single dude that went shopping with the couples?
Yeah, that was going.
Well, now you have a wife, and your wife wants to go too.
I just sat back there like,
We just got done eating,
Here's
and
my money. Let's go.
we just got done eating, and now we're gonna go get gas, and we're gonna go shopping with our friends. And my husband was just explaining to me how he was the single dude back then, and he went with the couples. And I was like, well, now you're married, I'm your wife, I want to do it with your friends too. This camera's so nice. The quality is so beautiful. And I'm using the kit lens that came with it, and it's pretty nice. But it's heavy as heck. This camera's heavy, y'all. I guess it's more stabilizing if I use a mini tripod. Earlier I was using my hand, so maybe that's why it's so wobbly, but now with my tripod it's not that bad. But you guys, I want to talk about my headband. So this headband, I got it from a Hmong girl. She has an Etsy shop. I think it's called Hmong Hmong. I don't know how to say it, but I'll link it down below. And the reason why I love this headband is because it's the same pattern and fabric and color that my ball used to have. My ball passed away 2 years ago, so this is really important to me, and I love it. We is at Egan Outlet Mall, but I'm not gonna vlog because there's a lot of people and my camera is heavy and bulky, so I will see you guys later. Got dope like Pablo. Cut dope like Pablo. Shot trees with the Draco. On the north got Diego. Say hasta luego. We'll be in rapping kilo. Snub nose with potato. Take out. No monkey in the jungle, blind hot like a sauna. Watching nothing, I'm trying to weep behind the car. We are home. I took out my headband. It's in my purse. But I went to Hot Topic at the Outlet Mall, and I got me something very, very cute. Super adorable. I got these two very cute earrings. I don't know, I just saw them and I was like, I want them in my life. Oh, what? One of them fell off. So this is the earring I got. Oh, it's so mamai. It's so pretty. I got this one as well. This one is gorgeous. It's so pretty. Wow, the details on these are gorgeous. Ta-da!
Y'all ready for this? It's so cute. Okay. I'm so happy I got it. I was looking for it. It's the Funko Pop of Stitch Snappy. It's sleepy. Sleepy Stitch. Look at it. Oh, he's so cute. It's a Stitch that is sleepy. At the Hot Topic exclusive. Oh, he's so cute. Isn't that nice? And honey, his little teddy bear. I love Stitch. I'm a huge fan of Stitch. It's so cute. So, I'm gonna add this to my Funko Pop collection. Because it is a Funko Pop, I need a Stitch. And surprisingly, this is my first Stitch. Cutter, let's go home. Let's go home, boo boo. Let's go home. Come on, we're going home. Luna, you ready? Ooh. Luna, ready? Luna, come here. Say hi, Aunt Luna. Luna, look. Oh, you're so cute. You fluffy little white thing. Okay. I am just currently doing my journaling and planning. And I finally told myself that I need to do it because it'll make me feel better, and it did. Laying in bed and watching, what is this called again?
Hard Knocks.
Hard Knock on HBO Max with my husband. And that's what we've been doing all day. We were watching war movies too. We were watching Saving Private Ryan. We watched 300. Now we're watching this. He's talking so much crap about it.
The garbage.
You're just rude. We is gonna watch this, and we'll probably see you guys tomorrow.
I got loyalty inside my DNA.